hopefully this will work for now. After it's all said and done, here we are, the salmon patties and the fish, 5 regular flounder. Hey, what's up, Ello? We making salmon cakes today. Okay, so the seasonings I used for the salmon cakes, well, I'm pretty confident this is all I used. Besides 2 eggs, also added in eggs to it as well. So the breadcrumbs, and you can get seasoned breadcrumbs if that's what you prefer. Tabitha's all very good seasoning, all purpose, and that has the garlic, pepper, lemon, adobo. This one, the yellow label adobo. Use that specifically for my fish, any of my tuna fishes and stuff like that. And then a little bit of ground cumin, a little bit of celery salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, if I didn't say it, and of course sea salt. So this is all I just use. I can't move this. Put this ball, flatten it. It. I'm literally taking pictures. Are you making like meat patties? Salmon patties? Can we put the heat back on? Here. Yeah. Took it off the heat. These are hot. There. Okay. Alright, if I had a little bit of salt, I should put in some. Like 2 scoops. I'm good. A little bit so that it can
Guys, the spaghetti is awesome. The spaghetti is awesome. Oh, what is this? Meat patties? Beef patties?
That's what she thinks where Noah said. Yeah, they're salmon patties. What, you saw in that bowl, that salmon fish?
Just saying, but it looks really good though.
It's okay.
I'm going to try a little bite maybe. But I don't think I'll like fish because I don't like eating animals. No, I'm joking.
You're eating cow.
Wait, that's cow?
Beef?
Oh. No. I like to add some more sauce. But I'm afraid I'm going to burn it first. Oh my gosh. It's already missing. I'm holding it tight and I'm trying to use it. Ah!
Hold it close. How tight?
I'm scared. It's really gonna crash. I might as well add some more noodles too, right?
Yeah. I know I already have some.
Don't take out a lot of stuff.
Huh? Yeah, let's try not to take out a bunch of stuff.
Probably only using paper, scissors, maybe scissors, and glue. Paper, scissors, and glue. On it with the calculator, built-in sharpener, and all that stuff. Have you ever seen it?
No, I haven't actually.
Probably kept it in my old backpack.
Yeah, it might be. Almost done. Salmon patties almost done. He's slowly falling. It is slowly falling. I was like, what is he doing? I assume it's not strong enough. I have to get my light one upstairs. Hopefully this will work for now. After it's all said and done, here we are, the salmon patties and the fish, 5 regular flounder with onions. And then there's of course more. This is the rest of the fish and the salmon cakes. And we're gonna go ahead and put these on there too once they're done. And dinner is finished. I did spaghetti again tonight, but I'm just going to show y'all the recipe of how I did my spaghetti. It is over here, the sauce. You'll see that in another clip of just a simple recipe. Right. So this is what we're making. Hopefully that's a good thumbnail as well. That's what we're making.